5S, what it is, how it works, and why it matters. With an application in the popcorn factory. Hit that subscribe button for more tools for continuous learning. 5S is a lean manufacturing method focusing on workplace organisation to create clean, safe, and high-performing work environments. It originated in Japan as part of Toyota's production system. The method is systematic but simple. It is usually the first lean method which organisations implement to transform cluttered, chaotic environments into structured spaces. The 5 S's are another acronym to add to your lean jargon. They stand for sort, set, shine, standardise, and sustain. Before we explore these further, we need to understand why use 5S in manufacturing. We use 5S because it reduces waste, cuts unplanned downtime, prevents mistakes that could lead to quality or safety incidents, and builds good habits that stick to support long-term quality. It can also improve changeover time and productivity. Let's head to the popcorn factory to see 5S in action. Here's a familiar scene, a popcorn line switching from caramel to cheese flavour. Same equipment, different allergens. And suddenly, it's chaos. Let's see how 5S can turn this mess into a method with less risk, more flow, and fewer cleaning failures. During flavour changeovers, operators strip down pipework, hoppers, and valves, but with no system. It's a hazardous environment with missed allergen protocols and incorrect rebuilds, and one frustrated team. Step 1 is sort. We separate what's needed from what isn't. This could be redundant, broken, or duplicate equipment, tools, or supplies. Red tags are used to identify items you want to discard. Green tags can be used to identify items you need to keep. Items which have been red tagged go into a red tag holding area. Everyone must agree that the item is not needed, and then it can be removed or relocated. Old pipework, red tagged and out. Good tools, green tagged and prepped for action. The next S is set. The aim is that everything has a home and everything is in its place, so that you can minimise time wasted looking for tools and equipment. You can use various tools to set, such as toolboxes, shadow boards, labels, and cabinets. It's colour-coded, labelled, and logical. The team in the factory have now introduced 2 stainless steel cabinets to store the flavour change parts. Now, cheese and caramel have their own colour-coded cabinets. This will reduce rebuild errors and cross-contamination. No mix-ups, no missing tools. The third S is shine. Shine is about cleaning and inspecting. Keep work areas clean and ready for the next task. This cleanliness encourages early detection of problems, which improves equipment reliability. The best way to achieve this is to create cleaning schedules so the teams can clean to inspect for abnormalities. The teams in the factory now have controlled wash zones, which result in safe, targeted cleaning. The fourth S is Standardise. SOPs, visuals, and checklists do the heavy lifting. They document the safest, most efficient way known to do a task to achieve the highest quality product. This makes best practice repeatable and keeps training and knowledge consistent across teams. The team in the factory are using visual job aids and startup checklists to ensure they rebuild correctly. These guides help every shift get it right, first time, every time. The fifth and final S is sustain. Sustain makes 5S a habit. This is reinforced through daily checks, team ownership, and a clean culture. This needs to be regularly monitored and reviewed for continuous improvement and, of course, recognition of adherence to standards. The team in the factory owns the 5S process, and it shows. Operators run daily 5S audits, quality and production managers track KPIs, and everybody takes pride in a clean, safe environment. The results 5S can deliver are impressive: reduced waste and cost of waste, less downtime and higher productivity, fewer errors in quality incidents and safety accidents, and better morale with improved product flow. In our popcorn factory, cleaning time reduced by 35%, rebuild errors dropped 90%, and safer, happier teams? Spot on. From chaos to calm, from sticky to sweet, that's 5S delivered. Share, like and subscribe for more tools for continuous learning.